Which RV washer-dryer combo is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to get a clear answer. Today, I'm breaking down the top options that truly work. Product number 1, RVer Portable Mini Washer. The RVer Portable Washing Machine immediately caught my eye. Priced at $161.49, it's a bestseller with a solid 4.2-star rating from 4,000 reviews. If you want a compact solution that allows for simultaneous washing and drying, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The twin tub design makes it efficient for RV living, where space is limited. The powerful 1300 RPM motor quickly washes clothes, and the adjustable inlet hose and drain pump mean you can easily set it up wherever you are. Plus, the overheat protection ensures safety during use. Now, some users have mentioned that the unit can be a bit noisy during operation. Here's the thing though, if you're living in a small space like an RV, some sound is just part of having a functional washer combo. It's not a deal breaker if you plan your laundry times around it. This is perfect for you if you're an RV owner needing a compact washer that's efficient and reliable. Skip this one if you need something ultra quiet, or if you have a large family that needs to do laundry all at once. For the price, it offers great value. Now, if the RVer's noise level concerns you, the next option could be more up your alley. Product number 2, RVer Portable Clothes Dryer. Next up is the RVer Portable Clothes Dryer, priced at just $56.04. With a 4.3-star rating from 1,200 reviews, it's an affordable option that's incredibly convenient. If you want a quick drying solution without a hefty price tag, this is definitely worth checking out. This dryer uses innovative drying technology, allowing you to dry your clothes in about 50 minutes. That's a big deal if you're on the go and need your clothes ready fast. The lightweight portable design means you can easily transport it, which is perfect for RVs. Plus, it features a built-in LED UV light that helps eliminate bacteria, so your clothes come out fresh and clean. It's energy efficient and quieter than traditional dryers, which is a huge bonus for smaller living spaces. That said, some users reported that it doesn't handle larger items like blankets well. But let's be real, if you're in an RV, you're probably not looking to wash and dry large items anyway. For small loads, this dryer performs exceptionally well. This is ideal for you if you're traveling and need a compact, efficient dryer for smaller laundry loads. Skip this one if you often wash larger items or expect a conventional drying experience. Overall, it's a steal for the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more integrated solution. Product number 3, RVer 25 lbs Portable Washing Machine. Now let's talk about the RVer 25 lbs Portable Washing Machine, priced at $299.99. This one has a 4.4-star rating from 719 reviews and truly offers a comprehensive laundry experience. If you want a fully automatic solution that saves you time, this is a great choice. With 10 washing modes and a unique diamond-patterned inner drum, it protects your clothes while ensuring they come out spotless. The self-cleaning feature is a nice touch, and it only takes 26 minutes for a wash cycle, which is fantastic for anyone who needs to fit laundry into a packed schedule. However, some users have mentioned that it's a bit bulky for RVs. Here's my take: while it might take up a bit more space, the efficiency and effectiveness of this machine can make laundry day a breeze. For those who prioritize performance, it's worth the trade-off. This is perfect for you if you want a hassle-free, fully automatic laundry solution. Skip this if you have extremely limited space and need something more compact. It's definitely an investment that pays off in convenience. Now, if the size of the RVer worries you, the next option is more compact but still efficient. Product number 4, RVer 17.8 lbs Portable Washing Machine. The RVer 17.8 lbs Portable Washing Machine is next, priced at $229.99. It holds a 4.4-star rating from 719 reviews, making it another solid choice for RV users. If you're looking for a compact yet effective washer, this one should be on your radar. This means you can easily wash delicate fabrics or heavily soiled clothes without a hassle. The built-in drain pump makes it easy to empty after use, and the child lock adds a layer of safety if you have little ones around. A common complaint is that some users feel it's not as powerful as larger machines. But honestly, for RVs or small apartments, this size is often more practical. It's made for those who want to simplify laundry without compromising on cleanliness. This is perfect for you if you need a compact washer that's still effective for everyday use. Skip this one if you regularly wash large loads or require a heavy-duty machine. For the price, it offers a great balance of size and performance. Now, last but not least, let's check out a compact option that's fully automatic and easy to use. Product number 5, Giantex Portable Washing Machine. Finally, we have the Giantex Portable Washing Machine, priced at $219.99. With a 4.2-star rating from 4,200 reviews, it's a popular choice among RV dwellers. If you want something that's fully automatic and user-friendly, you might want to consider this one. The Giantex washer has an 8-pound capacity and features a full automatic washing system. It also offers 6 different washing programs and 3 water levels to customize your laundry experience. The compact design is ideal for small spaces, and the built-in drain pump is easy to use. Some users have noted that the capacity might be small for larger families. But here's the catch: if you're in an RV or a small dorm, this machine is designed for your needs. It's efficient and takes up minimal space, which is what you really want. This is perfect for you if you need a straightforward, reliable washer for small loads. Skip this if you require something that can handle large amounts of laundry at once. For the price, it's an excellent option for compact living. To wrap it up, we've covered 5 fantastic RV washer-dryer combos. The OurTech is great for compact setups, while the MOJOCO excels in quick drying. The ROVsun 25 LBS offers a fully automatic experience, and the 17.8 LBS version is perfect for smaller loads. Finally, the Giantex is a user-friendly choice for those who want ease of use. Whichever you choose, they all bring convenience to your RV laundry days.